So in this video, we will take a look at the process of actually installing Bitseeds on a Windows computer. And you should have, at this point, already downloaded the program following the steps that I showed you in the previous video. You just want to go again to your downloads folder and look for the green icon that says Bitseeds. It may say Bitseeds Official Win32, or it may say some slightly different version name, but look for Bitseeds and double click that. Click Run, and then just basically go through the prompts. Next, next, and install. And this should look almost identical on most any Windows computer. Once it goes through the progress, just click Next and Finish, and it's installed. You can close the window, and then an optional last step is you can put it on your desktop if you want, and go back to the menu and look for Bitseeds. If you see it up here somewhere, you can just drag it to the desktop and drop it, or you might have to look around a little bit to find where it is, or you can, if there's a search box that you see there, then type in Bitseeds, and you should see under Programs, you should see it there, and again be able to just drag it and then drop it on the desktop, and you've got an icon. Double click and it opens. So at this point, basically everybody will be up and running, and you will have Bitseeds installed on your Windows computer, and you don't need to do anything else. But there is a small percentage of people who may have already had Bitseeds installed before. And so I want to continue this video for those people, the small minority of people who might need the extra help. There are a couple of steps you will need to take if you already have it installed. You need to uninstall it, and there's a little bit of a cleanup in a particular folder that you'll need to get rid of some files. And I'm just going to step you through that. It's a little more advanced, but again, most people will not have to go any further with this video. So if you get stuck and you have any of the problems that I'm about to show you, just follow the steps I'm about to go through and you'll be fine. So let's take a look at that. And it's important to uninstall it before you install the new version. Otherwise you might get an error message. And that was something you can do. Just go down to the Start menu and to All Programs, and then to Bitseeds, and look for Uninstall Bitseeds. Click that. Click Uninstall, and this will get rid of the program. It will not get rid of your wallet or your private key, in other words, that gives you access to the funds. It just takes the program itself away and makes it a blank slate, so to speak, ready for the new version. And click Close, and then you can go ahead and actually install the new version. Now, one last thing I'm going to mention here is if you get an error message that looks like this, that it says something about fatal errors occurred, Bitseeds can no longer continue safely and will quit, do not worry about it. There's a very easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Again, most people are not going to run into this problem. It's just some people who have already had a copy of an earlier version of Bitseeds, and there's just a couple files you need to get rid of. So you just want to, if you get this message, hit OK. Don't panic. Go down to Start, Windows menu, and look for the search box, and then type in exactly what I'm going to type here. %, app, A-P-P-D-A-T-A, app data, %, and then press the return key, the enter key. And you're going to get a list of items, and you're going to see your what they call the roaming folder, which is a hidden folder that has some special files in it. And if you look for, you're going to see a bunch of things. A lot of the ones you're seeing here you're not going to see, but look for Bitseeds, because those are just specific to things that are on my computer. But if you look for Bitseeds, you will see a folder there, and you want to go into there and hold down Control key and type A. That selects all, and then hold down the Control key again and click once. Do not double click, but single click on the wallet.dat file. Okay, so everything else should be highlighted in blue except for wallet.dat, and then you want to just grab any one of those, drag it and drop it into the recycle bin, and we'll leave wallet.dat. That's very important that you do not delete that. Leave that one, and then go back and try to open up Bitseeds again, and what you should get is this. And that will fix that problem in the small, minor chance that you might get it. So hope that makes sense, and we'll join you in the next lesson.